Back here at the Harley-Davidson garage. If you want to upgrade your handlebars on your Nightster to these mini apes, then stick around. What's up guys, it's your boy Andre. We're back here at the Harley-Davidson garage, and today I'm going to tell you all about these mini-ape handlebars for your Nightster. In stock form, the Nightster puts the rider in a forward riding position with a sporty silhouette. But for those of you that want a customized appearance with relaxed handlebar position, you're going to want to throw on these mini-ape handlebars. It gives you a high hand position while also giving your Nightster a unique look. The gloss black finish is the cherry on top. It looks sleek and matches all the other accessories for your Nightster. This fits the 2022 Nightster models and newer. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer.